Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install APK files on iOS or iPhone. So guys, open your app store. From here you will have to download APK downloader on your iPhone like this. I have already downloaded it. So guys, open it. So guys, after this, go back to your home screen and open any browser on your iPhone. So guys, search for apkfiles.com. So guys, here you can see that many APK apps are given here. So from here you can download any APK file or app. Tap here. So here it is, like Super Alexona. Tap here, and then again tap on download free. Tap here. So as you can see that it is being downloaded. So go back to your home screen and open APK downloader. So I tap on 3 lines and then tap on local files. So when the download completes for that APK file, that will appear here, and from here you can install that APK file on your iPhone. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.